Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Yu-Gi-Oh Master Duel. This digital card game brings the thrill of the physical game to your screen. Your main objective is to strategically deploy monsters, spells, and traps to reduce your opponent's 8,000 life points to 0. It's a free-to-play experience, offering a vast collection of over 10,000 unique cards to discover and master. Get ready to duel. Building a strong deck is crucial for success. Your main deck should contain between 40 and 60 cards, with a balanced ratio of monsters, spells, and traps. Aim for around 15 to 20 monsters, 10 to 15 spells, and 5 to 10 traps as a good starting point. Focusing on a consistent archetype helps ensure your cards work well together, creating powerful combos and strategies. The dueling field is divided into several key areas. You have 5 main monster zones for your creatures and 5 spell/trap zones for your magic and traps. Each turn follows a strict sequence of 6 phases: draw, standby, main phase 1, battle, main phase 2, and end phase. Mastering the flow of these phases allows you to activate effects and make plays at optimal times. Yu-Gi-Oh offers diverse ways to summon monsters. Beyond basic normal and tribute summons, you'll encounter powerful extra deck mechanics like fusion, synchro, Zais, and link summons. Each requires specific materials and offers unique advantages. Strategic thinking, managing your hand and field resources, and predicting your opponent's actions are essential for outmaneuvering them and securing victory in every duel.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.